The Suzuki AX4 is one of those motorcycles that may look simple at first glance, but once you get to know it, it starts to surprise you in all the right ways. This bike was designed for riders who want reliability, comfort, and daily usability without spending a fortune. It's not flashy, but it quietly proves why simple machines often last the longest. Under the fuel tank, the Suzuki AX4 carries a 113cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that focuses more on smoothness and durability than outright speed. The power delivery is linear and predictable, which makes it perfect for city streets and everyday commuting. It may not be a racing machine, but it's incredibly dependable. One of the most surprising things about the AX4 is how smooth the engine feels for a small displacement motorcycle. The vibrations are well controlled, and the throttle response is friendly even for beginner riders. It gives you confidence from the moment you twist the throttle. The 5-speed manual transmission is another strong point. Gear shifts feel light and easy, and the ratios are well suited for urban riding. Whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising on an open road, the gearbox supports a relaxed and comfortable ride. Fuel efficiency is where this bike truly shines. The Suzuki AX4 is known for delivering excellent mileage, making it a great choice for riders who want to save money on gas. With rising fuel prices, a motorcycle like this becomes even more valuable in daily life. The design of the AX4 is simple yet practical. It features a classic commuter look, with clean lines and a comfortable seat. The upright riding position ensures that long rides do not feel tiring, which is something many riders appreciate. After spending hours on the road, comfort is another area where the AX4 surprises people. The seat is wide and supportive, allowing both rider and passenger to sit comfortably. Even on rough roads, the suspension absorbs most of the bumps, offering a smooth and stable experience. The front telescopic forks and rear swing arm suspension setup are tuned for everyday conditions. Whether you're riding on paved city roads or slightly uneven rural paths, the bike handles them without drama. It's built to survive real-world conditions. Braking performance on the AX4 is simple but effective, with drum brakes at the front and rear. The stopping power is predictable and easy to control. For a bike in this category, it delivers safe and steady braking performance. Another impressive feature is its lightweight frame. The bike feels easy to handle, especially in tight traffic situations. New riders often find it less intimidating compared to heavier motorcycles. Maintenance is where the Suzuki AX4 truly wins hearts. Spare parts are generally affordable, and the engine design is straightforward, making it easier for mechanics to work on. This means lower maintenance costs over time. Durability is a major strength of this motorcycle. Many riders report that the AX4 continues to perform well, even after years of use. That long-term reliability makes it a smart investment for daily commuters. The instrument cluster is basic but functional. It provides all the essential information, such as speed, fuel level, and indicators. It may not have modern digital screens, but it delivers what you actually need in terms of performance. The AX4 is not about aggressive acceleration. Instead, it focuses on steady and smooth riding. It performs best when ridden calmly,